Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 18th of May 2018 and in this video I will be giving an introduction of open interest, how to see it, where to see it and what is its relevance. It's important that apart from reading charts, apart from doing technical analysis, we also look for other areas, other informations that will help us assist in finding the direction in which any stock or index is moving. If we have certain, if we want to reach to a conclusion, and let's say if we use technical chart, open interest, and other informations that we have, and all point us in the same direction, then that trade, then taking that trade, we will be more confident and everything that we do, all the trades that we want to take, we want to be sure that we are thinking in the right direction. So if we gather information from all these aspects of market and then we build up our conclusion, then we reach to a conclusion, then that will be more accurate. Chances of that conclusion to actually materialize into the market will be higher. So we'll look at these aspects at least in this video. We'll be concentrating on open interest. This will be just a introduction and this will form the basis of how this will form the basis of my further videos in which I will go into depth of when you see options chart, how do you see that and how do you interpret it. That will help you in making trading decisions. But before proceeding, let's first see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on any suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility, and I can't be held legally for any of your losses. Now this is NEC chart, and whenever we talk about open interest, normally this is where people would be going: live market, options chain, equity derivatives. Now here, if you see, this is any yellow color, this is white. Now why this is so? There is a different these colors also say something, but this in video we will just concentrate on open interest is not only this page. Whatever you see on this page is a open interest on option. This is basically an option chain. Here we have open interest, here we have change in open interest. This whole column is about, left side is about calls, and right side shows data about puts. Apart from this, let's say that we search for some stocks. Tata Steel. Here, if you go to get derivatives quote, then you will find a lot of information here. In fact, before going there also, uh, we see, if you just go back, you will see a lot of information there. So previous day what happened, it closed at this level, it closed 10.95 points down, this much percent down, all these informations. Intraday movement, how was it? Then VWAP, volume weighted average price, then free float market cap. These are important bits of information. 52-week high, 52-week low, and then the range in which the price movement can happen. If we go to derivatives, get derivatives quote, apart from other information, new information that comes is open interest, change in open interest and its percentage. So what I want to tell is, in uh, whenever we talk about open interest, it's not just the options chain. Also, be mindful that uh, deri- in derivative section, open interest as a whole is also considered, and there are different aspects to it. So, future also has open interest, as well as the open interest is there in option, and sometimes we need to see this in combination. So both have this open interest, both option and future. And so whenever we talk about open interest, sometimes we need to see both. Sometimes, and the reason I am making this video is that many people don't know that future also has open interest. And these data, open interest in a derivative as a whole, that is combined open interest in future and option, this is an important information in determining if the if that script will go under ban or not, because we have seen that many a times uh, some script we want to trade, but when then unfortunately we find that that is under ban. So why few stocks come under ban? These are all determined by this open interest. Sometimes we have to see a combination of open interest in future and options combinedly, and other times that depends that which is giving a signal. So apart from technical analysis, where we see chart patterns, where we see wave formation, which we analyze using GAN analysis, and there can be other methods of analysis of a technical chart. So apart from those informations, we also have a lot of informations which we can find through other means, like here in open interest, all those things, they are also important piece of information. Now let's say that so sometimes it happens that we get an early signal in open interest, sometimes we get a signal in chart, and sometimes it does happen that they are showing opposite things. Then there is then we should be cautioned that something is changing, and at that point of time we should be waiting instead of hurrying that just take a trade, just jump into the trade. Normally that's what mistake retail traders do, that they don't wait for confirmation. They are in a hurry to trade. They don't want to miss the bus, and in pursuit of that, they simply take a wrong trade. It's very important that we wait for our setup to happen. We wait for prerequisite condition to materialize, then only we should take the trade. So, apart from technical chart, we should be also aware of other informations which helps us in taking a trading decision, which gives us a sense of direction of where that stock or index is moving. So in this video I just wanted to say that options open interest is one thing, and we also have open interest for futures. I hope this is clear with you, and a deep analysis of open interest. How do we see it? How do we interpret it? That will that we will be talking about in my coming videos. So if you have any queries, you can write in the comment section. I'll try to answer them in my coming videos. uh, if you have any specifics like you don't understand how to interpret open interest or anything like that, you can write your specific questions there. uh, so that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.